Hey guys, so let's see what I travel with. This is the Face Shop Rice Water Cleanser, really amazing. Lotus Sunscreen, my favorite, cannot live without. Laneige Lip Balm, an amazing product. Bobbi Brown, my new favorite foundation. Isn't Gel Cream, you will love it. Huda Pan, you will need only just pan for your entire day and night look. Hoola Bronzer, my favorite. NYX Eyebrow Pencil, I cannot live without this one. Roller Lash, it's a Ride or Die. Pack Baked Highlighter, shade number 2. I cannot do without this. It is so beautiful. Urban Decay All Nighter to make my makeup stay longer. Clinique Take the Day Off, a must have for me. Then the Roller Eyeliner, new discovery of mine. I'm testing it. Batiste Dry Hair Shampoo. This is Sugar Lipsticks. Then I'm taking a BH Cosmetic eyeshadow brush. Elf Sponge to blend the foundation. Cali Contour by Smashbox. It contains everything, you guys. The highlighter, blush, all kind of brightening powders and bronzer. Plum Kajal. And then PAC blend.